guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix maximum number of attempts reached error in TikTok. If you reach the maximum number of login attempts on TikTok and are seeing an error message, you can try the following steps to resolve the issue. First is you need to wait for some time. TikTok may lock your account for a period of time if you've exceeded the maximum number of login attempts. Wait for a few hours and then try login and again. You can also reset your password. Go to the TikTok and in the bottom right corner there's your profile icon. Select that, and when you reach to your profile on the top right corner we could see the 3-line icon. Select there as well and go to the settings and privacy under the bottom. Over here on the account, select the account and go to the password option just below the account information. What you have to do is you need to first verify your email, so you need to use the link or enter the code sent to your email account. And simply you can change your password and make sure your password are 8 characters, 1 letter and 1 number and 1 special character. And simply use the correct credentials. Double check that you enter the correct username, or you can simply update the app in Play Store. Make sure you're using the latest version of the TikTok app. Update the app from the Google Play Store in Android or the App Store for the iOS if a new version is available. And this is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notifications icon for more upcoming uploads.